let's talk about the factors causing the greenhouse effect. And yes, it is the deforestation on a large scale. So basically, if we are cutting down trees, the amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere is going to rise, correct? That leads to the increase in the greenhouse gases, and that leads to more trapping of heat, and the entire temperature of the planet is going to rise, right? So what is global warming? Greenhouse effect in excess leads to global warming. So greenhouse effect is a good thing, guys, as I already mentioned. Yes, you need that greenhouse gases so that the earth can be warm at night, right? But if the amount of these greenhouse gases exceeds, what's going to happen? More trapping of the heat, and that eventually will lead to the global warming. So yes, not only CO2, other greenhouse gases like your methane, water vapor, nitrogen dioxide are also, the levels are at rise right now, and they contribute to the enhanced greenhouse effect. And as a result, the average temperature of the earth is going to increase. So yes, the effects of global warming right now. So as you can see, because of this global warming only, many natural calamities happen, right? It leads to destruction of the habitat, causing the loss of biodiversity. So it has some really serious implications. Let's check them out. So yes, melting of your glaciers, flooding of the islands and the coastal cities, migration of the birds, your desertification of the fertile area, agriculture and the livestock, even they are affected, and effects on the rainfall pattern. So some really serious effects you can see on the screen right now. And yes, global warming is happening as we speak. Let's move ahead to the next part, which is your ozone layer. Now, in that layer of atmosphere that we have around this planet, inside the stratosphere area, you have a layer, a unique layer made up of ozone gas, right? And it protects us from the harmful radiations. So from the sun, all the UV rays which are entering our planet, right, entering our atmosphere and reaching us, your ozone layer is going to protect us from those harmful rays, right? So yes, a very important function that it performs. The ozone layer is found in the lower portion of the Earth's atmosphere, somewhere in the stratosphere. Okay, function. So I've already mentioned that function to you. 90% of the ozone is located in the stratosphere, and it can absorb up to 98% of the sun's UV rays. But yes, those UV rays, in order to protect yourself from the UV rays, you people use the sunblocks, right? So it is SPF 50, SPF 30 and all those. So that is also to protect your skin from the UV radiation, because they are very harmful. Okay. Now, let's understand what exactly is making this ozone. So this entire layer is nothing but your O3 gas, right? And it is, the elemental oxygen is normally found in the form of diatomic molecules. So basically, it's just O2. But if I add a nascent oxygen to this O2 molecule, what's going to happen? There are 3 oxygen right now, correct? That is your O3. That is your ozone. And the entire layer is called the ozone layer. So the ozone is actually poisonous. The ozone, if it is present in the troposphere, if it is present around you, it's going to be very poisonous. But yes, if present in the stratosphere, it is helpful for us. Right, guys?